Hey guys, so you guys, I'm actually on my way to the grocery store to pick up some last minute items. So we're gonna take a Lyft. I have not been into a Lyft car since I was pregnant, so wish me luck on this. Hopefully it's clean. Well, the car is brand new, so it looks like it's gonna be clean. Hopefully it's clean inside because I have my baby with me, you guys, and ain't nobody trying to catch nothing. I'm just being honest. But you guys, I cannot be waiting on folks. Folks say they're gonna be doing things and then they don't do it. I can't wait on them. So you guys, we're actually about to hop in the elevator. I have baby Cairo with me. Say hi. Hi dear, say hi dear. Come on. Then we're gonna go down. So you guys, I just want to grab a couple of things. Well, not a couple, I gotta grab some stuff, but it's a lot. It's a lot. And I really hate to take a Lyft, but I don't have a choice at this point. It's a mess. Go ahead, Kaylee. I'm my driver. Kaylee, we're gonna go this way. 2 minutes away, y'all. 2 minutes away. Hopefully they get here on time, because sometimes when they be like foreigners, they don't be knowing. Like, they really don't know like how to get here, and then you have to explain. I don't have the patience. I'm so independent, y'all. But I will see you guys once we get into the grocery store. Alright, you guys, so we just got to Ralph's, but there's so many people, you guys, so many people, so congested. So I got some of my stuff, but I want to check my list to actually see what else I all need. What else I need? I forgot to get the pie crust. It's all the way back there too. So we got that. I got the pans, and I need to get salt. I got the eggs. I got that. So we only have like a few more things to get, honestly, Kaylee, and then we're done. Okay. That's okay. You're fine. Okay, cool. I'm vlogging for my YouTube channel. Yeah. I'm vlogging, yeah. So I have a beauty content, so I do makeup, I do fashion, lifestyle, yes, and I'm doing vlogging. I'm getting into doing vlogging. I hate it, but I need it. I'm vlogging my Thanksgiving shopping, yes, yes. So yeah, yeah.
Kind of like getting up holidays and taking off? Or?
Yeah, right now I have 1.53 K subscribers, yeah, so yeah, it's getting there, yeah, yep.
I'm like originally from Pennsylvania.
Absolutely, yeah. It goes, if you're consistent and you're like, see, I was pregnant with him, so it was a little harder because I was sick a lot, but now that I'm not, I'm like, I'm gonna be pushing out content, yeah.
What kind of made you start doing that?
My boyfriend kind of pushed me, like, you need to do your own channel because you do makeup, you're really good at it, you have a good personality, so I feel like people will gravitate more to you. So I started it, but I wasn't that serious at first, and then recently I just like, okay, I'm gonna, and then it started to grow from there. Yeah. Oh my gosh, you guys, so we just came out of Ralph's and it was super busy, you guys. Like, oh my gosh, it's never this busy. And I think normally it's that because when people here in Los Angeles, a lot of people probably live out of town, their family is out of town, and they normally go out of town, you guys, for the holidays. So because COVID is here, it's like everybody is just like all over the place, but there is no space, no social distancing, if you know what I mean. So with that being said, I am currently waiting on my Lyft ride, and it's gonna, well, it was at 7 minutes, now it's at 4 minutes. Legitimately, you guys, what is going on? Like, this is ridiculous, and I do not like to wait on nobody or anything, so this is really an impatient moment for me. But as soon as we get in the house, you guys, I'm actually going to start cooking, and then I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm going to be cooking and how I'm going to be cooking it. So I will see you when I get back to the house. Alright, you guys, so we finally made it home. First and foremost, let me just say this. It is so difficult to vlog during this time when everybody is out in the grocery stores. Everybody's side by side trying to get through. Everybody was down the cake aisle, so it was really hard to film without people thinking that I'm trying to record them. So with that being said, I got a little bit of footage of you guys seen in the beginning of the video. But you guys, now that I'm home, I'm actually going to start pre-getting a lot of my food together because tomorrow is Thanksgiving and I don't want to be cooking on Thanksgiving. I kind of want to relax, and I still need to get some videos edited and, you know, put out onto the platform. So right now, you guys, I'm actually going to be making cornbread well, I'm making the cornbread so that I can make my stuffing. So the stuffing is more like my grandmother's recipe that she makes, and my daughter wanted it for this Thanksgiving. So you guys, I got some Aunt Jemima cornbread mix, okay? So this is, you know, southern food, very southern food. I normally don't eat cornbread unless my grandmother makes it, and you know, we're down there. But you guys, I've already mixed all of my ingredients into the bowl here. So now you guys, I'm just going to mix everything together, and we're gonna put it in some pans and plop it in the oven. So that way it can cool off and I can go ahead and start making that stuffing. We're gonna put this to actually to grease the pan with, you guys. I'm actually gonna be using more of a 9-inch cake pan to bake this in, you guys. Ooh, can we not get this open? You guys, so I have some russet potatoes. Now normally, you guys, I would actually put them in water and let them boil over the stove, but you guys, I don't feel like waiting for them to cool off and then they be all so anyways, I'm just gonna put them in, bake them, almost like broil them, just so they can get really nice and soft. I'm gonna peel the skin, you guys, on them and mash them up and make mashed potatoes. You know, add the butter, the salt, the pepper, the milk, you know, whatever you need to do to get that going. And that's gonna be for the mashed potatoes. And I think I have some chives. I may cut up some chives to put around the top, or green onion. If I do or if I don't, I'm gonna go get some tomorrow. But you guys, at the grocery store, there was like nothing. There was no more celery. There was no more sweet potatoes. So I can't even make my sweet potato pie. So I don't know if I go in the morning, if there's sweet potatoes, and maybe I can make a sweet potato. I'm not sure, but all that I got from the grocery store, you guys, was some dressings for the salad, because we are gonna have salad. We wanna keep it healthy. Got this. This is their new Sprite, you guys. I'm gonna try this a little bit. I don't drink pop, but it's for my daughter. I also picked up 3 packs of the chicken wings, you guys. This year, you guys, we're just gonna bake chicken wings and go like that, because last year when I bought like 2 chickens, like small chickens, it just went to waste, and I don't want to waste food. So I got 3 packs of these, and you guys, this is like the best chicken. I eat this on a regular basis. They normally have buy one get one free on these, but unfortunately I think it was what, all together it was like $10, you know, so it wasn't a bad deal. It really wasn't. I think it was like $27 for all 3. We got some napkins. We got some aluminum foil pans, you guys. Aluminum foil pans to put everything in. We got quite a bit of stuff, honestly. Yeah, we got some more pie crust. So for my apple pie, you guys, I'm making it from scratch, and I like to use graham cracker crust instead of actual dough, because it's so soggy. I don't like my apple pie to be soggy like that. So this is like the best to actually use, is the graham cracker crust, and they only had this one little one left. Luckily, I got this like a week or so ago, but I'm like, oh my gosh, everything was like completely out, you guys. So these potatoes, you guys, are gonna go on the bottom rack in here, and then I'm probably gonna go ahead and get started on my apple pie. Drizzle that with some olive oil. Okay. All right, you guys, so I like to clean as I go. So I've already got my potatoes in the oven. I already put my cornbread in the oven. I'm gonna work on my apples for my apple pie. Oh my gosh. But before I do that, you guys, I wanna go ahead and clean my dishes up because I wanna be able to have enough space to kind of maneuver around. I hate when it's like messiness clutter, y'all. It's just, oh. So we're gonna go ahead and just clean up what we kind of dirtied up really quick, and then we're gonna move on to the next dish. Alright, you guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead, hold on. Alright, you guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to do my apple pie. I'm gonna prep to do my apple pie. So, you guys, I have some apples. Normally with apples, you guys, I normally use like Honeycrisp, but unfortunately there was like no Honeycrisp right now, and that is actually the season for it. So I actually purchased the autumn, I don't know what these are. I have some of these already here at the house. So I picked them up because they were sweet and I really liked them. So I'm gonna use those for my apple pie, you guys. So we're gonna go ahead and prep all of that tonight. So I can go ahead and get those in the oven. So that way in the morning, all I gotta do is pop it in the oven and it's good to go. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. I'm thinking like, let's go and get that. So I'm gonna be cooking them in this pot here. So you guys, the key is just to cut them up in like small pieces. I mean, cook them how you want them. If you want them to have them in like little slices like the moon, do whatever you want to do it. For me, I like to cut mine up in small pieces. That way I can have more of a fuller pie. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, you guys, so I already have my apples in the pan. So now I'm actually going to fill up the pan just a little bit up above the apples, just so that they can cook. This is going to be our apples and our sauce for the actual apple pie filling. Okay, so now you guys, we're gonna go ahead and add all of our seasonings and our spices to this. So I like to add vanilla extract. And you guys, I'm just eyeballing everything legitimately. Like, there is no recipe for this. I make everything by scratch when I cook. So we're gonna do a little bit of that, and then pretty much you taste as you go. So if you go ahead and get this started, you come back and you taste everything, and if it still needs more, then you just add more. You guys, I'm going to add some cinnamon. And you want to add enough that, you know, you're able to taste it, you guys. We're going to do some allspice. This allspice, you guys, is so potent, it's so strong. I don't like to add too much of allspice. So I pretty much like measured that and taste as I go when it comes to allspice. We're gonna add some nutmeg, you guys. Nutmeg. And then we're gonna do some pumpkin pie spice. I'm gonna mix, and I'm gonna put my sugars and everything in, you guys, and then I'm gonna stir and I'm gonna taste the water. The water is good, nice and sweet, has a good flavor. Then I know that my thing is good to go. That tastes good. I'm not gonna add anything else right now. All right, you guys, so we're gonna go ahead and end off the vlog for this evening, you guys. I'm actually gonna post this video up tomorrow on Thanksgiving, so if you see it, hopefully you have a good Thanksgiving and you're with your family or friends or whatever the case may be. Try not to allow this thing that's going on, you know, get to you so much. I mean, you guys should start looking at things in a positive aspect. You know, create and do great things during this time, you know, because it's only going to be a short period and then it's going to be back to reality. So I will see you loves in my next video. Bye.